Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke sama ulapan painya ya kidekot kaliang persya ke Voice of the People Party. Halor kamat yada ya ke kendau ke siap. Taka bekerpat ya keseng kebailam ya ke KHEDC pakadai ban kentup lang ya ke Dorbar Shnong haki an kendau. Haba jubab ya ke jing ya keren kebalingkot kepalawan rak do Presiden ke VPP ubah Arden Miller Basawimoj ubah dewa MLA ke Nongkrem Constituency kepala long mentah ke segi baar yang Dorbar Thawaan Kejela. Conrad sama ulaong baka sorkar jong u kam jia lat ya kir kom trikam. Conrad ula menjur ya ke jingong jong uba Arden baka jia mir jumut bat kipat ba kalong kabadon kambha na ka benta kano karai kabai dai bar ka khandau ka siap. Henry ulaong baya ka ju kanong rem lapan ken da ka KHEDC. Haba penpau ya ka an jong ka KHEDC Regulation and Registration of Land Amendment Bill arja apun rio man penrung kerteng ya ka khandau ka siap arajar apun rio. Usangma ulaong bakani kaan kawat ban Weng no ya kawai ka kendon ka bakongsan bha na ka benta banyamir jengmut bat kikli nong Synshar. Kadon ka kendon ha ka section kan rio jong kaan kepala don lupa on Weng no ya kikintin hadin balai selok shwa bat ki Dorbar Shnong ki Dorbar Raj bat ki Dorbar Hima ki papau hadin ka kintin Executive Committee ulaong. Conrad ulapan pau kajing skosi namar kani kalayat persya pura ya kanong rem bala kadau ha kani kajia keren menta kasngi ha kawi kaliang ulaong badai banshim kya ya ka imlang salang kadba ha KHEDC ya kani ka an kerpang lapan kala ban Weng no ya ka Dorbar Shnong Weng no ya ka raj berkumjuru ka Dorbar Hima.
Never been a situation where we go from the back door and get the sale of any land done. Everything is done in a procedure and a manner that is known to all. And as mentioned by the honorable member and the mover of this short duration, he mentioned that the community should be taken into consideration. And sir, I agree totally with that particular aspect. But I would also like to stress that the honorable member and his political party should practice what they preach. So today, you're aware, sir, that there is an act of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Regulation and Administration of Land Amendment Bill 2026. And there is a clause there in section 16, which says that in section 16 of the Principal Act, the word, quote, after prior consultation with respective Dorbar Shnongs, Dorbar Rai, and Dorbar Hima, unquote, appearing after the words Executive Committee shall be deleted. So this particular amendment is quite unfortunate. And I must say it goes completely against the principle that was just mentioned in this discussion that we are having today. And I quote again, community should be taken into consideration, sir. Whereas in the Khasi Hills District Council, this particular act today is being amended to remove the Rangba Shnongs, remove the Ride as well as the Hima from this entire procedure of participation, sir. So where is the fairness? Where is the fairness? And sir, when we talk about ensuring that there must be a system of transparency, there must be a procedure in which all the different aspects are involved. Sir, our forefathers had that sight, had that vision. They knew that this must be done. And that is why today, sir, we have traditional institutions and setups. We have Rangba Shnongs, we have the Ride, and we have the Hima, precisely to ensure that multiple checks and balances are there in our traditional system. And this system has been followed for decades and centuries, sir, I must say. And therefore, I urge, sir, that maybe this particular demand that is there, I would like to put this demand back to VPP. And I would like to also put my charter of demand on VPP to the KHEDC and tell them that please practice what you preach. Please involve the traditional institutes. Please ensure that community is not left behind. I think that is very, very important. I totally agree with what the honorable member has mentioned, sir. So